Hi, it's Finn from Finding Country in South Molton, and welcome to Ley Farm. Positioned on the outskirts of South Molton in the popular hamlet of Queens Nympton, this property is exquisitely presented. There's 3.5 acres of grounds and even a 1-bedroom self-contained annexe arranged over 2 levels. Positioned behind me is a paddock of approximately 1.5 acres. So if you are looking for a property with equestrian potential, this could be just the ticket for you. As you'll see as well on our video, the gardens have been lovingly maintained by the current owners. This 5-bedroom former farmhouse really is a fantastic find. If you're looking for dual occupancy, equestrian potential, or just a property in a very quiet private location with countryside views around you, this really could be the perfect home for you. So if you'd like to express your interest, just give us a call. Our number as always is 01769 573 181.